Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Honor 5i with the app that is required. As you can see, we already downloaded the app. We have here our name, new tag, as you can see right here. We have some personal records. As you can see in the right top corner, it says it's not connected. We have here the health center, and here we have the calories. As you can see, you can change from day, week, month and year. And also you can see the statistic for distance as well, climbing. Also you have here steps. We have walking, running and cycling. Also you can see the statistic for year, month or day. So this is very beautiful and very useful. We have here exercise records. We don't have too many exercise. We have here next in the line we have weight. You can see day, week, month and year. We can see our changes in weight. We have the distance and running plan. Also underneath that we have the heart rate options, and we have sleep here as always, statistics same as the other options that we saw until now. So you can see in the first page we have quite a few options and statistic to see. So let's go right to the third page. Press the 5i band and you can see the vibration. You can hear actually the vibration. Press OK and press pair in the phone. You can see right here that will be paired. Now allow the Huawei Health, and as you can see it's paired successfully. And now everything that we do, including exercise, steps, all that stuff will be saved here in the app. So we saw the first page. Let's go to the second page. As you can see, we have fitness. Here we have steps, burn calories, kilometers, meters, weight, blood pressure, and we have sleep. So we can see all these in statistic as well here in the fitness data. We have workout, we have outdoor cycling, outdoor walk and outdoor run with GPS. You can see the GPS in the left corner. Also we have the training plan here in the third option. Here are some health and third-party services. We saw here how we connected. We have Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate. You can turn them on and off. It depends for your preference. We have continuous heart rate monitoring. We have heart rate limits. So you can see all these options. We have function customization. You can customize your function. We have alarm. You can set an alarm here. Do not disturb. Plenty of option for do not disturb. Notifications as well. We have here weather report. Next we have here Bluetooth disconnecting reminder, rise rest to wake screen, rotate to switch screen, firmware update and restore factor the watch. So you have plenty of options as you can see right here, so you have to go ahead and customize them for your own preference. You can see how we can turn them on and off. We have the updates here. As I said, you can change them in the settings for your own preference as you want. So let's go ahead and see how the notification will work in the 5i. You can see in the phone it comes first. You hear the vibration in the watch and you have the text right here in the screen of the watch. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.